Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Firefox browser on Motorola Moto G73. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store and find Firefox in a search. Then click on the install. When it's ready, click on the open. Then you can set up your Firefox browser with notifications help the Firefox do more or whatever. Let's click on continue, allow to send notifications, and from here we can actually begin the customization. You can choose a different theme, pick your toolbar placement, sign in to turn on synchronization, switch between privacy settings and read the privacy notice. Then click on the start browsing, open any website, and as you can see it works fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.